Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a thrilling episode for you as we dive into the future of drone technology. Drones have come a long way from being simple remote-controlled toys. They have become critical tools in various fields, including warfare. In this video, we'll explore the most advanced warfare drones, showcasing the innovative creations from the world's top drone manufacturing companies. First up, we have the DJI SkyMaster X3 by DJI, a well-known leader in the drone industry. The SkyMaster X3 boasts an impressive 48-hour flight time, making it ideal for long reconnaissance missions. It's equipped with AI-powered target recognition and a 100x optical zoom camera, making it an invaluable asset for military surveillance. Next on our list is the Northrop Grumman XQ-93. Northrop Grumman, a major defense contractor, has designed this drone for electronic warfare. Its advanced jamming capabilities can disrupt enemy communications and radar systems, providing a significant tactical advantage on the battlefield. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, often referred to as the Hunter Killer, is a workhorse in modern warfare. Its multiple hardpoints can carry various payloads, including Hellfire missiles, and it's well-suited for precision strikes. General Atomics continues to innovate this platform with enhanced stealth features. The Kratos XQ-222 Valkyrie is a cutting-edge autonomous combat drone designed for air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Its affordability and swarm capabilities make it an attractive choice for military forces around the world. Lockheed Martin's MQ-25 Stingray is a carrier-based drone primarily designed for aerial refueling. Its ability to extend the operational range of manned aircraft significantly enhances mission flexibility and effectiveness. The Boeing MQ-18 Hummingbird is a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) drone with a variety of mission capabilities. Its versatility, coupled with the ability to operate from confined spaces, offers numerous advantages on the battlefield. AeroVironment's Switchblade is a loitering munition drone designed for precision strikes and immediate situational awareness. Its compact size and portability make it an excellent choice for small-scale, rapid response operations. The RQ-7 Shadow, manufactured by Textron Systems, is a reconnaissance and surveillance drone with a proven track record in the field. Its latest version includes upgraded sensors and communication capabilities. The Heron TP by Israel Aerospace Industries is a large, long-endurance drone known for its intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities. It can carry a variety of payloads for both military and civilian applications. Last but not least, we have the BAE Systems Tyrannis, a highly secretive and advanced drone developed for the Royal Air Force. Its autonomous nature and stealth features make it a formidable asset in future aerial combat scenarios. And there you have it, an exclusive look at the future of drone technology, brought to you by the world's top drone manufacturers. These remarkable machines are changing the landscape of modern warfare, and we can only imagine what the future holds in this ever-evolving field. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.